Guys, I am so sorry for the fireworks tonight. Let it be tonight, and let it be 2025, the fireworks, guys. And I'm so excited, guys. It's gonna be the fireworks tonight, and I'm so excited, guys. The fireworks, and tonight it's gonna be the fireworks day on Friday. So I'm so excited, guys. For 4th of July, we're gonna set up the fireworks, and yeah, we're gonna have lots of fun, a lot of shooting, a lot of stuff. They're outside playing the pool. Tico and his wife is sleeping right now, so we don't want to disturb her, guys, when she is sleeping. Or I don't know if she's sleeping or not, but. Where is the dog? I get a little confused if the dog is outside or not, but she's here, actually. But, Rino's channel, but I'm a little bit thirsty. I've been thirsty like all day till this morning, so. Hey Dad, are you excited for the fireworks tonight?
Yes.
Can I make a video about the fireworks?
Yeah.
Thank you, Dad. I'm just thirsty, Dad. I'm not hungry no more.
Okay.
So, fireworks is gonna be awesome. I'm so excited. Are you excited about this, audience? We're gonna have the fireworks about this. So, yeah, should I shave my beard? Yeah, I'll do it tomorrow, but so I'm so sorry, guys. So we're gonna shoot some fireworks. I got dressed up because I was swimming earlier ago. So we're gonna talk about the video. We're gonna explain what the fireworks. We bought like big fireworks, guys, and I don't know where. Are we gonna go to the backyard or are we gonna go this side? The front row. Okay. So guys, tomorrow I have to shave my beard because I look like a homeless guy. So yeah, sorry the fireworks, guys. In 2025, this year, and I'm so excited. All you guys are gonna see the fireworks. So amazing, guys. And tomorrow I have library, guys, and I have a tight schedule tomorrow. I'll do a video maybe next Monday or next Friday, maybe. We'll see, guys, we'll see. So, if I have time, guys, we'll post more Jeffrey videos. Hey Dad, how's Canche Studio working? Working out? How long it's gonna take? Oh. I don't know how about Kanji Studio. We're getting difficulties on Kanji Studio, guys. I don't know how long Kanji Studio is gonna be. So, yeah, we got this channel. We got difficulties on Kanji Studio. Yeah. So, we didn't get a chance to do the Christmas video from last year, in 2014, with Jeffrey's Christmas. Well, who knows, it's gonna be better on Jeffrey's Christmas. Yeah, we got some good editing parts we can do. When Dad figure out Catcher Studio. Says he was working on it. I don't even know if I can trust Dad, or maybe I do. Today I have like a massive headache, and I got something stuck in my head. Like, I don't like the word stop, guys. I really don't. It's a tangle in my brain actually. Like two brains are tangled in my brain. It's like one stuck, one sticking on. It's like almost like a sticky note. It's like a line like attached to my brain. It's almost like a wire, right? One stuck, two stuck. Like it's always an obsession in my back of my head. I don't even know if it's a headache or not, or is it an obsession. I was thinking about this, guys. I think I got a headache or an obsession today, but I don't really know. To be honest. Guys, to be honest, I don't even have an obsession. My head feels a little funny today. Dad, are you gonna give me a pill? Huh? Are you gonna give me a pill for my head? Yeah. Alright guys, I gotta drink some water. Give me 1 sec. So guys, taking his time to do the fireworks. And I gotta go for this video for tomorrow, guys. 'Cause I'm tired. We did some great exercise. Look at this gut. It's growing. Look, we just got. Guys. Guys, if you like my beard, leave in the comments below if you like my beard. Should I keep it or not? Leave in the comments below. If you like my beard or not, should I keep it? Okay. It's almost nighttime, guys, and session will go away maybe tonight. Sorry guys, it was just a feather beside the pillow, guys. And they're having a lot of fun. Look at them. Look at Tico and Marcel and Mom. Oh, I thought it was Mom for a second. Oh, Mom's over there. Ven un besito. Ven un besito. Guys, I gotta be careful because it's slippery, because I don't know why. I feel like my day is kind of a little funny. I feel like my brain's a little funny. It's like squishing up a little bit, like a pillow. I don't know. It's a headache right now. Hey, Dad. Is it okay? Do you give me a headache pill?
Yeah.
This is disgusting. Do you heard
Don't
this?
look at it. That's her food. Close the store.
So guys, I'm just waiting for the fireworks, and happy 4th of July, guys. Tomorrow I have library and the mall, guys. I'm gonna be super busy. If I have time to do a video, just let me know, guys, in the comments below. Like, Michael, we gotta start doing a video on right now. Leave me comments below if you want me to do a video on a tight schedule, guys, like we did last time. Or I don't know, dude. My brain's kind of funny today. Hope it goes away tomorrow. So here's Iran, Tico, Joshua, and I said I'll play. Yeah, here's Ribs Day. Yeah, what's this? What's this weird thing, Day? I don't like tamale. But I like apples, cheeseburgers. I don't like Spanish food, but sometimes I like Spanish food. But sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. I like Italian food better, like Dad. So he's eating Italian food. I hope he's eating Italian food. I hope we're going to Chuck E. Cheese tomorrow, guys, because today's Saturday tomorrow. Eat another Kinder Egg tomorrow?
Yeah.
So today I picked a Kinder Egg and on Friday because I wanted to design a shirt. But this is not cute, Rino's channel. This duck is very cute, look at this. Guys, I don't even know we're gonna have time to set up the fireworks tonight. I'm gonna record it for you guys in the next video, because I'm gonna put the title. We're getting ready to set up the fireworks video, and yeah, sorry this video's a little bit crappy, guys, because my brain's a little funny today. Because I said the stop word this morning, I should not say. I've been obsessed with like this word all day, so yeah. Probably I'll go boot camp maybe one day. Oh, thank God it's not lost. Guys, we need to like go to Wellington because I need to go to Wellington one day. Because I need some cargoes for Jack. So for the Canadian guys, so please leave me the suggestions down in the comments if I want to go Wellington or not in the next episode. I've been to Wellington, guys. You know me. Because I went to Wellington one time, remember I was recording the kids. That, guys. Let's see the next episode. We can maybe when it's not summertime. I hope the mean lady's not there, guys. I hope so. Yeah. Sorry, Dad. Sorry, Dad. I hope everything will be changed. Back to normal, guys. Or it's not summertime because what she was doing, Daddy? I'm so happy today, guys. I don't know why. Today was a funny day today with my head, so I gotta pause this video right now. I'm gonna shout. It's like 15 minutes in this episode, so I gotta pause this video right now. I'm gonna channel. Get ready for the fireworks. I'm super tired. Yeah, that is okay. I rest for a little bit. So Rino's channel, thanks for watching Rino's channel. So leave suggestions down in the comments to Rino's channel. I'll say goodbye now this time. So Rino's channel, hope you guys enjoy this video. Leave suggestions down in the comments. Subscribe to Rino's channel if you don't have this episode. But I'll see you guys here on Rino's channel. Peace out. Bye. See you in the next episode of Rino's channel. So leave suggestions down in the comments. Subscribe to Rino's channel if you don't have this episode. But I'll see you guys here on Rino's channel. Peace out. Bye. See you in the next episode of Rino's channel. Peace out, Rino's channel. Bye. See you in the next episode. Peace out, Rino's channel. Bye. See you in the next episode. Peace out, Rino's channel. Bye.